Welcome to Screaming Chicken. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Today we are going to show you the different LEDs and footwell kits we have available.
Oh heck, I just dropped my phone. Oh yeah, I got the footwell lighting and the map light. All at screamingchicken.com. Thank y'all, see y'all next time.
We have them available in white, bright white, red, and blue. This is what your stock map light looks like. This is with the cool white map light. This is the blue footwell kit with the matching map light. This is a red footwell with the white map light. This is the white footwell with matching map light. This is the hardware kit we send with the footwell lighting. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let us know if you have any questions.